Last July 1, I played with my makeup and tried to recreate this makeup look from Blackpink's Rosé. This is her teaser photo from their latest comeback, How You Like That. While doing this makeup look, Rosé actually went live on Instagram, so I was kind of shocked because I did not expect that. Initially, I was going to give this video the title Rosé Inspired Makeup, but I figured although this was inspired by her, I just followed some of the elements of the entire makeup look, and the end result didn't actually look 100% exact as hers. So I just decided to go for a different title. Although that's the case, I still like the overall look, and I'm going to show you how I did it. After doing my skincare routine, I applied some Strobe cream to give my face a bit of glow, because we all know K-pop singers always have that dewy look. Then I applied a mattifying primer on the areas I tend to get oily because I have oily skin. Since I'll be using some loose pigments later on, I started doing the eyes first. So as the base color, I used a shimmery cream eyeshadow and applied that on my moving lid. Using a pinky brown eyeshadow, I applied that on the outer corners and blended some on the crease. Originally, Rosé's eyeshadow color is really red, and she has these crystals on top, similar to the ones being used on nail art. But since I don't have that, I mimicked the crystals by putting loose pigments on top of the cream eyeshadow. I then just used my black eyeshadow to line my eyes. Normally I would use a gel type, but I was feeling kind of lazy during this day, so I just opted for eyeshadow. To smoke out the lower lash line, I used a reddish copper shade. Again, for Rosé's actual eyeshadow, it was purely red, but I figured I wanted my version to be less intense, so I just opted for this color. I lined and filled the brows as usual using my go-to brow powder. For the face, I actually just used concealer on my under eye and skipped foundation because again, I was kind of lazy and I also wanted to achieve a more natural finish. Rosé doesn't really have a very obvious blush, so I just lightly blended a cream blush on my cheeks, just to give my face a bit of color. Then I set the entire face using a translucent loose powder. Moving on to contouring and highlighting, I just contour the sides of the nose, hollows of the cheeks, and highlighted my cheekbones and brow bone. For the lips, I used two shades to create a gradient effect. I first applied the light pink shade all over the lips and blended the red shade on the center. Last but not the least, I curled my lashes and applied some mascara. So that's it. Here's my wearable K-pop inspired look with glittery eyes, glowy skin, and gradient lip. I hope you guys enjoyed this look as much as I did. Thank you so much for watching!